We're going to show you some very amazing stuff. Now, let's see more films of the robot performing a variety of additional tasks. Yes, we wanted to showcase a little bit more of the robot's development over the last few months. It's just strolling around and performing on stage, basic starts. However, you may observe the autopilot neural networks operating on that new platform where they are currently undergoing retraining for the robot. My watering can is that. The world that appears on a rendered view is what the robot sees. It's picking up objects that are obviously identifiable, like this one, to gather data and train our networks, which we subsequently install on the robot. We use the same procedure that we did with the autopilot. That serves as a slightly more detailed depiction of the upper body. Imagine a world in which robots coexist peacefully with humans, completely changing the way we communicate and work. Leading this revolution, Optimus has the potential to completely reshape the way factories operate. However, what really does Optimus offer? Join us as we have a conversation with specialists on Tesla bots who will clarify the various jobs that Optimus is capable of performing, ranging from simple manipulations to intricate procedures. We'll discover this humanoid powerhouse's enormous potential. With its impact on production lines worldwide and Tesla's gigafactories, Optimus is sure to have a lasting impression on the manufacturing industry. However, the adventure is far from over. We are getting closer to a time where robots and humans collaborate to build an infinitely creative future with every day that goes by. So fasten your seatbelt and remember to press the like and subscribe buttons. Greetings from Tesla Stock News. Now, let's begin this video. Recently, Elon Musk revealed some great news. The Tesla bot, Optimus, is already functioning in lab settings and completing basic tasks. But what does that actually mean? Let's dissect it. Consider Optimus to be a flexible helper that is being trained to work with a variety of items, such as shirts, and is being tested with jobs like loading components into robotic welding cells. These tasks may appear simple, but they need precision, which has historically proven difficult for robots. Aerospace engineer Scott Walter has graciously contributed movies that demonstrate comparable jobs being completed in actual factories, which helps us better grasp what Optimus may accomplish. Now, why is it so difficult to automate processes like loading and unloading components? It all boils down to the requirement for exact manipulation. Consider this. While picking up a garment from a pile may seem easy for humans, it's like trying to pick up a single sand grain for a robot without disturbing the others. Although Optimus is now receiving assistance from humans, the intention is for humanoid bots such as Optimus to someday take over these responsibilities completely. It's possible that Optimus will set foot on real factory floors by year's end, beginning with lower manufacturing lines and working its way up. Beyond effectiveness, though, there's still another important factor: safety. Consider jobs that require handling sensitive or dangerous goods, those that might endanger human workers. Humanoid bots like Optimus excel in this situation because they can complete these jobs precisely and without endangering human operators. The ultimate goal is to rethink the fundamentals of manufacturing and rework factory procedures to reduce the need for human intervention. Let's examine the factories of Tesla and BMW in more detail. Even though humans are still heavily involved, robots are becoming more and more capable of helping with menial chores like picking and placing objects. This suggests a future in which industrial robots and collaborative robots, or cobots, operate in perfect harmony to create an efficient dance. Do you recall Ad Day 2022? That's where the idea of basic factory jobs initially took off. In the present day, the Fremont factory is in the midst of training and deploying robots such as Optimus. Optimus has been through a thorough testing process over the past 2 years. Inspired by fully autonomous vehicles, Optimus is picking up precise object recognition and manipulation skills. Its role is to perform efficient operations such as unloading and building parts pallets. Optimus is unique because of its design. It is ideal for jobs with constrained production schedules because of its well-designed torso mobility, which reduces the amount of foot movement. The real game changer is that these humanoid bots can be deployed on demand, providing unparalleled automation flexibility. They are not only stationary. However, the creativity doesn't end there. Optimus keeps getting better, adding features like finger sensors and even the capacity to fold clothes. This is evidence of the robotics industry's unwavering quest for excellence. Now that we have dug a little deeper into the field of robotics, let's examine the state-of-the-art developments that are occurring, particularly with regard to task complexity and finger dexterity. The newest generation of robots being developed has remarkable talents. They're shown unmatched skill in handling delicate tasks, suggesting the possibility of even more complex operations in the future. What is the motivation behind these developments? It all comes down to dependability, quickness, and most importantly, energy economy. Engineers are putting in endless hours to optimize the control systems so that these robots operate energy efficiently and flawlessly. Elon Musk has underscored the significance of effective inference computing in the field of robotics. Consider it the mental capacity required for jobs such as autonomous driving, because every watt of energy is vital. And what really makes Tesla stand out in the robotics industry is their consistent focus on this effective computing. Because, let's face it, developing robotic systems that can maintain that level of excellence over the long term without depleting important energy resources is more important than simply aiming for peak performance now. Let's now focus on energy efficiency, which is a crucial component of humanoid robot design. This is a topic that is sometimes disregarded, but is really important, especially when you take into account the 500 watts of energy that these robots are using. To put that into perspective, consider how much more energy-hungry common equipment like hair dryers are. Here, efficiency is not merely a polite word. It is crucial to guaranteeing that these robots can work an entire 8-hour shift without running out of battery life too soon. And Tesla is the ideal person to spearhead the movement towards energy-efficient design. Their dedication to optimizing the efficiency of their vehicles is evident in their humanoid bot project as well. From the inference chips to all other components, their singular concentration is on reducing power usage. However, the Tesla adventure is far from over. It's even more fascinating because every day brings new and intriguing discoveries with ups and downs. Tesla continues to draw investors into its rabbit hole for this reason. But who else is as optimistic about Tesla as you are? That would be Seeking Alpha, today's sponsor. It's not enough to merely watch Tesla's phenomenal rise from the sidelines. Seeking Alpha is your one-stop shop for the most recent information on Tesla, Tesla stock price targets, Tesla innovation, and everything Elon Musk related for fans of the company and those who have an eye for finding the next big stock market find. Ignore the lamestream media's anti-Tesla rhetoric. The internet's top pro-Tesla news outlet is Seeking Alpha. Our channel might receive a commission if you click on the affiliate links in the description and make a purchase. I appreciate your help. But what makes Tesla more competitive in this field? It's their proficiency with AI computers and battery technologies. They are well positioned to develop humanoid bots that are safer and lighter for human interaction, in addition to having longer operational durations by utilizing their experience in these fields. It all comes down to integration. The smooth blending of cutting-edge inference chips, potent AI computation, and efficient batteries. Together, these bots minimize their environmental impact while optimizing performance. This is where Tesla's all-encompassing strategy comes evident. They're building a whole ecosystem rather than just assembling parts, utilizing their knowledge of data centers, artificial intelligence, and batteries to transform the manufacturing of humanoid robots. Let's now explore how Tesla is utilizing current technologies for their ambitious Optimus project. This tactic is both clever and effective. Instead of